Hello and welcome back. This video is perfect for anyone that is struggling to come up with content ideas for their blog, because we are going to look at how you can generate unlimited blog content ideas. So if you are stuck for ideas, stick around and watch this video because it will be perfect for you. Now we might as well dive straight into it, so let's get started. I'm going to be showing you many different tools and techniques that I use to come up with blog content ideas. And we are going to start with Buzzsumo. So simply enter a domain name. This could be your own or one of your competitors. Or you could just type in a keyword. For this quick example, I'm going to type in email marketing tips. And now that I've done that, I'm simply going to click this blue button here that says find content. And here we go. So based on the keyword which I entered, which was email marketing tips, if I scroll down, we can see successful and popular content which is relevant to that keyword. So we have easy tips for building a powerful email list, 14 tips to make your SaaS email marketing more effective, and then down here we have apply these 5 tips now or your email marketing will suffer, 21 tips to improve your email marketing effectiveness, and there are many more. In fact, there are 96 pages of results here, so there are many different content ideas for you when you're using Buzzsumo. Then for each of these results, we also have Facebook engagement, Twitter shares, Pinterest shares, Reddit engagements, number of links that page has received, evergreen score, and total engagement as well. So you can see how well each of these pieces of content have performed, and you can also use them as inspiration for your own content as well. So that is Buzzsumo. You can find that at buzzsumo.com. Next, we're going to have a look at a tool called CopyAI. This is an AI copywriting tool which I use pretty much all the time now, and I think it is an absolutely fantastic tool. Now within CopyAI, there are many different tools that you can use, but in order to find content ideas for your blog, once you are signed in to a CopyAI account, you want to have a look for the blog ideas tool. To find it, simply go down to the website copy section, and as you can see, it is right here, and it is the blog ideas tool. Now you can also use this tool to generate blog intros, outlines, bullet points to paragraph, bullet points to blog titles for listicles, and many other things as well. But right now we are just going to use the blog ideas tool. So in order to generate relevant blog ideas, you want to enter the name of your product or brand name. So in this example, I'm going to enter the name of my blog. And you also want to describe your product or brand. So for this, I'm simply going to paste in a description which I have on my blog, which simply says the best resource for entrepreneurs, marketers, and startups. So there we go. Once you have entered a product or brand name, which by the way is optional, and added a simple description, which is required, all you need to do is click create. Now CopyAI will generate loads of different content ideas for your blog. As you can see, so we have 5 blogs every startup and entrepreneur must follow, top 11 email marketing and lead generation tips for new startups, the startup handbook, startup pro guidebook, I don't really like that one to be honest, 10 businesses you can start with no employees, and you can simply copy them by clicking this copy icon over here, or you can click into the box and select the text and copy it that way as well. You can also click create again to simply create even more ideas, or if there's one that you like the sound of, you can click the make more button next to it to generate more ideas that are similar to the one that you have selected. So I clicked on make more for this one here. If I scroll down, we can see more blog ideas that are generated that are similar to that one which I clicked on. So that is an absolutely fantastic tool, which I use pretty much every single day. Next, we are going to take a look at AnswerThePublic.com. Now this absolutely incredible tool will tell you what people are asking on Google. So if I put in, for example, email marketing tips like I did on Buzzsumo, and select a country, I'm going to leave it as United Kingdom, and also a language, I will leave it as English, and then finally click search. AnswerThePublic will now generate questions that people are typing into Google that are relevant to the keyword which I entered into this tool. So if I scroll down, we can see here that we have questions started with when, where, will, are, how, can, and what. And at the moment you can see that they are in a visualization graph, but if you want to make it a bit more easy to read, you can click onto this data button right here. So for example, does email marketing help SEO? What are some email marketing tips and tricks? Does email marketing really work? What does email marketing do? And so on. And then below the questions, we have prepositions. So if I click onto data again, we have phrases which include the word for. So email marketing tips for small businesses, email marketing tips for WordPress, email marketing tips to increase sales, and there are so many more as well. So this is one of my favorite tools which can be used to generate content ideas for your blog or even for YouTube videos as well. Next, we are going to have a look at the Hubspot blog ideas generator. So here it is. As you can see, it has a very simple interface. All I'm going to do is enter the phrase email marketing tips again, because I may as well enter the same phrase on each of these tools so that we can see how different the content ideas are that are generated on each of these blog content ideas tools. So I have entered the phrase email marketing tips. So now I'll click the add button right here. And as you can see, I have the option to add up to 5 different phrases, but I'm just going to click the give me blog ideas button right now. And here we go. So we have a week of blog ideas on the left over here. And then on the right, we can unlock 250 blog ideas. But for now, let's just look at these 5 right here. First, we have email marketing tips, expectations versus reality. I don't really like that one. Will email marketing tips ever rule the world? That doesn't really make sense, but I guess some things would make sense there. The next big thing in email marketing tips. Email marketing tips explained in fewer than 140 characters. And finally, this week's top stories about email marketing tips. So none of these are really that great, but then you also have the option to unlock 250 more blog ideas as well. So this tool is something that you could use. However, I don't use it too much anymore, but it's always a tool which is there and sometimes it can be handy. However, none of these really make sense, but I still recommend giving it a go with your own keywords to see what ideas you can generate with it yourself. So there we go, that is the Hubspot blog topic generator. Next, we have the blog idea generator by topic. So instead of email marketing tips, I am just going to enter the phrase email marketing. And then all we need to do is click the generate idea button. And here we go. So we have our first idea, best email marketing solution. And of course, if you don't like it, simply click give me another idea. Email marketing best practices. Use email to build customer relationships, drive repeat traffic, and increase sales. So there we go. There is another great email marketing related blog content idea. That is using the blog idea generator by topic. Next, we have the portent idea generator. So once again, I'm going to type email marketing into this tool. It's important to note that for all of these tools, you need to enter your own phrase. Don't just copy me. You need to enter a phrase or keyword which is relevant to the content that you want to create, and then simply click Generate Idea. So this first one, warning, you're losing money by not using email marketing. See another title, how to cheat at email marketing and get away with it. Another, the only email marketing resources you will ever need. So there we go, we have generated 3 really good blog content ideas using this tool in just a matter of seconds. So that is the Portent Idea Generator. And we only have one more tool that we are going to look at in this video, and that is the Blog Post Ideas Generator by Build Your Own Blog. So with this, you don't need to enter any words or keywords or phrases. You simply need to click the Generate Blog Post Idea button. So I'll click that right now. And this one says how social media has changed my business. I'll click it again. Here's what the future of so-and-so will look like. So for this one, for example, I could change this to email marketing. So the blog post idea would be, here's what the future of email marketing will look like. Let's generate one final idea. Okay, this is a good one. So this says how to, and then blank space, the easy way. So if we were doing this for email marketing, I think that a good blog content idea for email marketing would be how to grow your email list the easy way. So there we go. That is the Blog Post Ideas Generator by Build Your Own Blog. In this video, I have now shown you loads of different tools that you can use to generate content ideas for your blog. I hope that these have been helpful to you and that you will actually use one of them. Before I end this video, I will quickly say that my favorites are Buzzsumo, CopyAI, and AnswerThePublic. However, that doesn't mean that these 4 other tools aren't good. It's just these 3 are my favorites. So there we go. That is how you can generate unlimited blog content ideas. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope that you have learned something new. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.